Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your kitchen game, the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized nonstick pots and pans, an 11-piece collection in a sleek moonstone finish. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience with durability, ease of use, and consistent results, then stick around as we put this set to the test. Let's start with what matters most for nonstick cookware: performance. Anolon highlights their ultra-durable non-stick release, and in our testing, this holds true. Food slides off with remarkable ease, making everything from delicate omelets to sticky glazes a breeze. This isn't just about convenience during cooking, but also a significant win when it comes to cleanup. Years down the line, the promise is that your creations will still glide off effortlessly, which is a crucial factor for long-term value. Behind this impressive non-stick is the hard-anodized construction. Anolon claims it's twice as hard as stainless steel, and this translates directly into exceptional durability. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily cooking, resisting warping and maintaining its integrity. More importantly, this construction is engineered for fast and uniform heating. We observed consistent heat distribution across the pans, meaning no more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. This even heating is fundamental for achieving professional-level results, whether you're searing a steak or simmering a delicate sauce. Now, let's break down what you actually get in this 11-piece set. It's a thoughtfully curated collection designed to cover a wide range of culinary tasks. You receive a 1.5-quart saucepan and a 3-quart saucepan, both complete with measuring marks and lids. These are your go-to for boiling water, making sauces, and cooking grains. Then there's the 8-quart stockpot, also with measuring marks and a lid, perfect for soups, stews, and pasta. The 4-quart sauté pan, with its helpful helper handle and lid, is incredibly versatile for sautéing vegetables, pan-frying, and creating one-pan meals. Finally, the set includes an 8.5-inch frying pan, and a larger 12-inch deep frying pan with its own helper handle and lid, ideal for larger batches or when you need extra depth. The measuring marks on the saucepans and stockpot are a welcome addition, saving you from digging out measuring cups for common tasks. Comfort and control are also key considerations in any cookware, and Anolon addresses this with their SureGrip handles. These handles are designed to provide a secure and comfortable hold, even when the pans are full or hot. During our cooking sessions, we found them to be very ergonomic, offering confidence with every flip, tip, and toss. This attention to detail in handle design makes a noticeable difference in the overall cooking experience, reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability. Beyond performance and comfort, the aesthetics and ease of maintenance are important. The Anolon Advanced Home features stain-resistant non-stick exteriors. This means your pots and pans will look newer for longer, even with regular use. The Moonstone finish is not only stylish but also practical, as it helps to hide minor scuffs and marks that can accumulate in a busy kitchen. And when it's time to clean, the non-stick surface makes it incredibly simple. Most of the time, a gentle wipe is all that's needed. The description mentions oven safety up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a great feature for finishing dishes in the oven or keeping food warm. The tempered glass lids allow you to keep an eye on your cooking without lifting them, preventing heat and moisture loss. The Infinity Slide technology, as Anolon calls it, refers to the durability and smoothness of their non-stick surface. It's a promise of longevity, suggesting that this cookware is an investment built to last. Now, for the pros. The non-stick performance is genuinely excellent, making cooking and cleaning remarkably easy. The hard-anodized construction offers superior durability and even heating, which are critical for consistent results. The set is comprehensive, covering most everyday cooking needs, and the inclusion of measuring marks is a thoughtful touch. The SureGrip handles provide excellent comfort and control, and the stain-resistant exteriors keep the cookware looking good. However, no cookware is perfect. One potential con is the price point, as Anolon is a premium brand, and this set represents a significant investment. While the hard-anodized construction is durable, it's still important to use appropriate utensils, such as silicone or wood, to avoid scratching the non-stick surface. Also, while oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit is good for many tasks, it might not be sufficient for recipes requiring higher oven temperatures. Finally, while the set is comprehensive, some might prefer to customize their collection with specific pieces or sizes not included here. In conclusion, the Anolon Advanced Home hard-anodized non-stick pots and pans set is a high-quality option for home cooks seeking durability, excellent non-stick performance, and ease of use. It's a robust collection that promises to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and less of a chore. If you're looking for a dependable and long-lasting cookware set that delivers on its promises, this Anolon collection is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.